So you can see that this works pretty well and you don't have to pay a cent. And I want you guys to know that this works worldwide and all you have to do is to upload photos. Don't worry, you don't need a camera or any skills in photography. I'll make it clear right away. Let's jump into my laptop. The site that will be paying us today is shutterstock.com. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this kind of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss out on more set videos, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, as I always say. Then you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now, Shutterstock is a place where you can find thousands royalty-free stock images, photos, videos, and more for your creative projects. As in, when you download them, you can use them literally however you want. And you can go to similarweb.com and analyze this site, shutterstock.com. This gets about 72.36 million total visits per month, and you can see people from all over the world are coming to this site. United States, India, Russia, United Kingdom, Brazil, and as you can see, the most traffic is coming from the United States. And the reason millions of people around the world using Shutterstock is simply because it's far too cheaper to pay Shutterstock a set amount of money per month and download the images that are taken by professional photographers, rather than to buy a camera and try to capture them yourself, or alternatively having to pay a photographer. So this is why this website is so popular. Well, they have an app as well. Furthermore, Shutterstock powers for global brands, and these are some of the world's biggest companies. You have the likes of Google, BuzzFeed, and Marvel on here, so it's definitely a legit website. So as I said earlier, we will have to upload photos in here and this site will pay us. Keep in mind that you will be making money in passive income. The way you get paid is simple. When someone downloads a photo you have uploaded, you will get paid a set amount of money. And since your photos stay on here forever, that means you can make money in pure passive income. And you can upload photos as many as you like. So you upload the photos here and leave them be. And that's all. Your work is essentially done, because there will be millions of people coming to Shutterstock to buy photos every day. And what you need to get started is simple. Scroll down to the bottom and click Sell Your Content. And as it says, share your work and start earning. Join Shutterstock's global community of contributors and earn money doing what you love. So you have to create photos, produce high quality images and videos for our customers to download, and then submit. Upload your content with our easy to use platform and get tips for success. Get paid. Make money every time your content is downloaded by one of our worldwide customers. And they even have a referral program. I'll come back to that soon. And if you scroll down and see the global earnings, 1 billion in contributor earnings. This is big, guys. This is the amount that paid to the European contributors, Asia, North America, South America, Oceania, and Africa. As you can see, this site is available worldwide. So in order to get started working for Shutterstock, click on Get Started and complete this simple form. Give your first name, display name, email address, and a password. Certify that you are 18 or older and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. You can open new links and read the terms of service and privacy policy and tick this to confirm that you're not a robot. And now you can sell your photos, and let me show you the site where you can get these photos, mates. It's idplr.com. As it says, 12,590 plus PLR products which you can resell and keep 100% of the profits. Number one PLR membership since 2008, 100,000 members and growing, updated almost daily, and it's free to use. So this is a site where you can find not only images but also various other products, and you can see the products here and you should choose graphics with resale rights. That will take you over to here. As it says with resale rights, that means we have all the rights to earn money off these photos. Here the photos are grouped into some packages, so it's easy to download a package once, which includes hundreds of photos without downloading photos one by one, which will take some time. By the way guys, I really hope you guys are getting some value out of this content, and if you do, don't forget to like to it, leave a thumbs up down below, and if you haven't already, don't forget to click that red subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you won't miss out on any new set video. Coming back to the video, so let's pick a package. So I'll pick this one, and as you can see, yes, this can be sold, can be used for personal use, and you can do several things from this PLR package. And also keep in mind that you cannot modify or change this main product. Read this page guys, and in order to download you should click on the register and complete a simple form and get registered for free. I'm not going to take your time to fill these kind of simple forms, as I have to show you a bonus tip for those of you who didn't skip a single second of this video. So get registered and download the photos as many as you like. Come back to Shutterstock, upload as many as you like, and since there will be so many of them that enable you to make a lot of more money in passive income, since we are literally talking about thousands of photos here. So here's the bonus tip guys. You can get paid by their affiliate program. So scroll down and click on affiliate. So this is the affiliate program. Join the Shutterstock affiliate program and earn up to $300 per new customer purchase. So single person you refer here can make you up to $300. Amazing, right? Shutterstock is one of the highest paying sites out there as far as affiliate marketing is concerned. So it's definitely worthwhile to promote it as an affiliate by using various platforms such as Quora, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and so on and so forth. Lastly, if you're a photographer or you want to become one, or if you have a camera, then that's the best option out of all, as taking the photos by your own adds originality and you will be able to do what you love. So in that case, you don't need my strategy in order to get paid. And that's it guys, and congratulations to Ronald Huffman, who won the $1,000 premium course by commenting the city he lives in. And you also can win this $1,000 premium course by commenting your favorite sports person. Comment down below my favorite sports person is, and stand a chance to win this $1,000 premium course. And don't forget to comment your problems guys, share with your mates, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.